Estillos Official. What's up everyone, I am Estillos Official. This is my second tutorial video. I hope you enjoy. Let's start by using your Supra's number 3 guard to remove all that extra hair weight from his sides. With your seniors, start making your first guideline. Fade in a circular motion using the right corner of your clippers. Using your number 1 guard on your seniors, start making your second guideline. Keeping that circular motion going. Use your 1/16 guard to ghost fade your second guideline. Using my brown shade with Series 9, I'm going to skin that taper out, starting all the way from the bottom of his cheek and slowly working my way up to his sideburn. I will use my fabulous trimmers to clean up any lines that I see. Switch to your seniors clippers and with a close lever, start fading upwards towards your taper. From bottom to top and around his ear, trim down those stragglers. Focus on what you are doing and make sure his lineup is straight. Use your FX trimmers to make your first guideline. Remember to dust off your client as many times as you can. With the lever down on your seniors, create your second guideline by fading your first guideline. Pro tip, my boys, play with your levers. Alright, now use your guard number 2 on your Supras and fade it all the way upwards. Doing it this way will also start fading your number 1 guideline, erasing 2 lines at once. Dust off your client again. For this side, I will be speeding up the process since it's the same steps as the other side. Put a new blade on your blade holder very carefully. Avoid getting cut. Using your favorite liquid spritz, spray gently around your client's line. With a light and soft touch, press the razor against his skin. Start lining up your client's temporal line. Give his line a nice curve and make it as straight as possible. Remember to do it gently. Use oil sheen to style his curly hair by squeezing his hair with the softness of your fingertips. This is it. Here we have it. This is my final haircut. If you want to maximize your haircut, remember to always give your best by giving good service and obviously a great haircut. Always take some photos, always take some video of your work. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is your boy, Estillos Official. Till next time.